All right, what is up, MediaCom students? All right, so for today, we're going to go through how to do the color worksheet. All right, so the color worksheet, you click on it, it'll pull up a worksheet in Google for you to work on. And we're going to be messing around today. We're going to be talking about color. We're going to be using this cool website called Adobe Cooler, which should be linked here in the video as well. So I'll go ahead and click on that link and pull up Adobe Cooler. And Adobe Color, it used to be called Adobe Cooler, but Adobe Color, it's kind of this cool website that helps you come up with kind of these different color schemes. So if I want an analogous color scheme, which we talked about in class, right? I can move this around and get an analogous color scheme, right? So analogous means the colors are next to each other. So as you can see, they show up next to each other here. If I want monochromatic, it's all different shades of the same color, of the same hue, right? If I want triad, right? So you have all these different color schemes, complementary, across from each other on the color wheel. So you're going to just kind of pick out some color scheme, you're going to give me examples of each one of these color schemes, picking colors that you like. So if you like the blue spectrum here, maybe I'd choose the blue spectrum here. For the first one, which is analogous, and then we're going to transfer this over to our worksheet. So let me pull up my worksheet here, right? So this is the color worksheet, and you're basically just going to create examples for me of these different color schemes. So for the first one, it's analogous. So again, I've created this on Google Docs for you, so that you can do it there. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and click Insert, and then you're going to click Drawing, and you're going to choose New. So we're going to insert a new drawing. All right, and for this first one, for each color scheme actually, we have 5 colors. So I'm going to go ahead and create 5 boxes. So if I go here at the top, there is a button that says Shape, and I'll just go ahead and choose a shape. You can choose any shape you want. I'm just going to keep it simple and use a square. Right, so I'm going to make a square shape. And now as you can see, it gives me some options up here on the square shape. One says Fill Color. So if I click on Fill Color, because that's what I want to change the color of the box to match the color scheme I've created over here in Adobe Color. So I will go ahead and click on Fill Color. Now as you can see, I can just try to guess as close as I can here with the pre-designed colors, but that's not what I want you guys to do. What I want you to do is actually insert a custom color. So I want you guys to learn how to actually take the information from Adobe Color and use it to create exact color copies on your document. So if you hit Custom, it'll pull up this thing, and you'll see here where it says hex number. So if I go back to the Adobe website, I look at the first one, I have this number here. It's a #1F0CED, so I'm just going to go ahead and copy that. So I hit Control-C on a PC or Command-C on a Mac. And I will go back over here, and I will hit Control-V or Command-V on a Mac. So Control-V on a PC, Command-V on a Mac. That pastes the number. I hit OK, and now I have that exact number, that exact color right there, that dark blue is identical right there. So now I'll just keep going. I'll go ahead and put another shape, because I need at least 5 of these for this drawing, right? So I'll put in another shape. I'll go ahead, again, change the fill color, go to Custom, go to Adobe Color, copy the number, and go back and paste it, all right? So I can also, I'm going to just make copies of these boxes real quick, Control-C, Control-V, Control-V again, until I get 5 of them. All right, so that one's slightly different color blue than the first one. And click on the next one, change its fill color. All right, and on down the line I will go. Let's get these closer together. All right. So now this drawing matches my color wheel here, right? So I got these 5 boxes, and the colors are identical because I copied and pasted the color numbers. All right, and I'll go ahead and hit Save and Close, and that'll put in my design for the first one. So there's analogous. Now I'll go down here for monochromatic, and again, I'll do the same thing. I'll say File, Insert, Drawing, New Drawing, right? And I'm going to go through the steps again, create 5 boxes, choose the colors, but this time we're not doing analogous, right? We're doing monochromatic. So I have to go back over here and change this to monochromatic, and then choose some colors that I like, right? And then I'll go through and copy those numbers again, and you'll just do it on down the line. Then you'll do triad, then you'll do complementary, all right? And then when you get done with that, just go ahead and submit it on Schoology. All right.